Have you ever dreamed of flying like a bird and capturing stunning aerial footage of the world around you? With a DJI drone, you can make that dream a reality. Today, we're diving into a topic that's guaranteed to elevate your perspective, both literally and figuratively. Now, let's off on our drone adventure. The DJI Inspire 3 is the next generation professional drone designed to meet the demands of the most discerning filmmakers and content creators. With its custom-built X9 8K Air Gimbal CineCore 3.0 processing system and powerful new features, the Inspire 3 delivers stunning image quality, precise flight control, and unparalleled reliability. Whether you're shooting a Hollywood blockbuster or a high-end commercial, the Inspire 3 has you covered. With its ability to record in up to 8K25 CinemaDNG H75 Apple ProRes RAW, the Inspire 3 captures footage that is truly breathtaking. And with its 1.8 EFPV camera with 161 Devil FOV, you'll have an ultra-wide view of your surroundings, making it easy to frame the perfect shot. The Inspire 3 also features a variety of intelligent flight modes that make it easy to capture complex and challenging shots. With Waypoint Pro, you can create and fly repeatable routes with centimeter-level precision, and with Spotlight Pro, you can automate subject recognition and tracking so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. The Inspire 3 is also packed with safety features, including 9 visual sensors for omnidirectional obstacle detection and a depth-sensing downward sensor. And with its DJI O3 Pro transmission system, you can enjoy a maximum control distance of up to 9.3 miles and live video feeds at up to 4K30 or 1080/60. If you're looking for the best professional drone on the market, the DJI Inspire 3 is the only choice. It's the perfect tool for filmmakers, content creators, and businesses alike. Have you ever dreamed of capturing the world from a whole new perspective? It's time to put an end to your dreams. Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the drone that's about to revolutionize your aerial adventures. You can take to the skies with the Mini 4 Pro thanks to its minimal weight of 249 grams. There is no need for a drone pilot certificate. However, this compact marvel is more than just lightweight. Watch stunning 4K HDR vertical videos at 60 frames per second.
Yeah.
It's that clear. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, your flights are sure to be safer than ever before. Worried about battery life cutting your adventures short? Fear not. The Mini 4 Pro boasts a prolonged flight time, keeping you airborne longer than ever. With its 20 kilometers of full HD video transmission, the DJI Mini 4 Pro enables continuous flight and adaptable intelligent tracking. Together with an RC2, 3 batteries that provide 34 minutes of flight time, a charging hub, and a stylish shoulder bag, it comes with everything you need. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to experience the excitement of flight at your fingertips? Well, buckle up, because with the DJI Avata, that dream just became your reality. Combining immersive goggles and a motion controller, this drone makes the once unreachable skies accessible to everyone. Intuitive flight becomes second nature as the motion controller responds to your every command. Squeeze the trigger to bolt forward or effortlessly turn a corner with a flick of your wrist. The Avata isn't just about flight. It's a creative powerhouse with an upgraded camera system that eliminates the need for extra attachments, delivering ultra-smooth 4K footage. Its palm-sized agile design allows you to navigate through gaps and branches, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. The DJI Avata drone offers an 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety features, including a built-in propeller guard. It features DJI O3 video transmission and offers a sharp HD live feed at distances of up to 10 km. The drone is compatible with various remote controllers and goggles. Ever wondered what it's like to have the perfect wingman in the sky? Meet the GSI Mavic 3 Classic, a marvel of drone technology that's set to redefine your aerial experience. The Swedish brand's Hasselblad drone features a 4CMOS camera, 5.1K HD video, 46 minutes of flight time, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it a versatile flying tool and creative ally. But here's the kicker. Have you ever flown a drone that can transmit HD video up to 15 km away? That's the Mavic 3 Classic for you. Throw in advanced features like Waypoint Flight, immersive experiences with DJI Goggles 2, and the ease of firmware upgrades through Vision Assist, and you've got a game changer that elevates your drone adventures to new heights. Ever dreamt of capturing the world from new heights and pushing the boundaries of aerial photography? Well, enter the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, an extraordinary drone that begs the question. What if your camera could fly? This game-changing marvel comes equipped with a Hasselblad main camera featuring a 4 CMO sensor and 20 MP, capable of shooting raw photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. But that's just the beginning. How about a medium telecamera with 3x optical zoom and a 48 MP sensor or omnidirectional optical sensing and IPS 5.0 for worry-free flights? With a remarkable 43-minute max flight time, DJI O3 technology, and an immersive experience with DJI goggles too. It's not just a drone. It's a question answered with innovation. What if your camera could fly? The answer lies in the limitless possibilities of the Mavic 3 Pro. And that's a wrap on our DJI drone adventure. If you enjoyed the ride, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Share your drone stories in the comments below.